Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ali Arsalan Sario. Today my topic is poverty. The word poverty derived from Latin words pauper means poor. Poverty refers to the conditions of not having the means to afford basic human needs such as clean water, nutrition, health care, clothing and shelter. Poverty is the condition of having fewer resources of less income than others within a society of country or compared to worldwide average. Poverty is one of the major social problems which Pakistan is facing. It is one of the most important and sensitive issues not only of Pakistan but for the whole world. Poverty can cause other social problems like debt, corruption, and etc. It is the fundamental duty and responsibility of the country to fulfill the basic needs of its people. Basic needs of basic needs of man comprise of shelter, food and clothing. When these needs are not fulfilled, they bring about problems termed as socio-economic problems. Pakistan has also suffering from these problems. The real issue is not the presence of these problems in the society, but the extent to which they are being paid attention and solved. When these problems are not met timely, they result in the form of deviant behavior, drugs abuse, smuggling, corruption, poverty, illiteracy, and many other social evils.